Hey everybody, I wanted to give you some quick information about something you may have noticed as a change in your weekly assignments. You may notice that things are showing up with due dates now at the end of each week. This class is remaining self-paced, meaning you can work on it at your own speed. I'm just putting these due dates on there in an attempt to help some of us remain on track a little bit better. If you turn in something past the due date that you see, you're not going to lose any credit for it, except for the weekly discussion prompts. Those are the only things that I'm going to keep firm on. You got to get them done within the time expected. Everything else, those due dates will eventually change once we get into the marking period 4 part of the gradebook, since this is a semester course. So don't worry about those due dates, but stay on top of your weekly discussion prompts and make sure you reach out with any questions. All right, guys. Bye.